welcome to my channel. If you've watched me before, thank you so much for coming back. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. Don't wear lip gloss and do your hair. If this is your first time watching, my name's Olineece, and you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you can see all of my videos whenever I post. So today we will be reviewing slash styling slash fixing slash everything else that I done did to this darn wig from ISHOW Hair Company. It says ISHOW Hair, you show beauty. I know that's right, sis. I really wanted to show you guys the contents that they sent inside. I did order this wig during quarantine time, so it was really adorable what they sent. So first things first, they did give us this wig cap. Fortunately, it's not the wig caps that most people use. Next thing, they did send a mask with an adorable little message on that. I thought that was just amazing during this quarantine time. They also even sent a how to defend yourself against COVID-19. And then finally, they sent this right here. It's basically a thank you note, and it's a $20 off your next purchase. And I did go and purchase this. This video is not sponsored, so I can show y'all really what's up with it, that y'all can be cute too. Okay, those are all the content that came in the box. As far as pricing goes, I know I went on a cheaper route trying to get this wig, and I will insert the price of this wig in the video right now. I also know that they have some amazing options. I will probably be ordering from them again, saying that I love this wig that I have on right now. As far as styling this wig and how I got it to look like this, if you guys want to see how I accomplished this look, make sure you keep watching and I'll come right back to y'all in the end. Hey guys, this is the ISHOW wig straight out of the box. She's very lustrous, super lustrous. She does have this oval kind of hairline, which is so weird, and which is definitely gonna have to be fixed and plucked and such. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it off camera, and I even might do some other customizations. Other than that, the hair is super duper silky. If you guys want to see the customizations that I ended up doing on this wig, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys. So you're thinking back to the initial video and you're like, Olineece, what customizations did you do exactly? And the truth is, guys, I was trying to dye my hair to be like an e-girl. If you don't know what an e-girl is, it's a trending topic right now, but it looks like this, or in my case, it just looked absolutely horrible to a point of no return. And yes, if you're wondering, I spent my time recording so I can give you guys a tutorial, but joke's on me. It's not funny. So instead of embarrassing myself, which I probably could have done and most of you guys would have enjoyed, I just dyed the hair back black, put on a wig like everybody else, and kind of acted like it didn't happen. Don't get me wrong, the wig application process was, you know, it was a wig application process. You're throwing a wig, glue it down, lay the lace, etc., so on and so on. During this process is, however, when I noticed I messed up. I really messed up. Like, I dyed the lace black. Luckily, I had some tricks up my sleeve. So I'm gonna let you guys watch how I fix this wig, and I'll come back with you guys in the end. ended up showing y'all how I fix wrongly tinted lace and overplucked, because I did also overpluck this wig. Other than that, I can say this is one of the best short wigs that I've had. I love this wig simply because the density in the front is so thick. Like, it doesn't like thin out, the ends don't thin out. It honestly looks like it was a longer hair wig and then they cut it, rather than like trying to piece together short pieces of hair to make the wig. This wig, super cute, super crazy. I honestly thought it wasn't gonna hold a curl simply because of how silky the hair is. It's holding these curls. Like, the curls are still here. I didn't even use any product. Shedding was very minimal, and the fact that I did bleach this area and then recolor it all within the same like 2 hours. The hair is still super silky, which I don't understand, but it has really strong root. It is just a U-part wig, y'all, but I made it my own. It turned out really cute, so I think it's affordable. I think it's really pretty, and I think I will definitely be ordering from ISHOW off my first impression. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Make sure you guys check out my last video. I hope you guys found that this video is full of information or just things that you need in general. If you guys have any more questions about this wig, make sure you put it in the comments below. I will be doing an update on this wig after 2 weeks of wearing it. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.